In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add documents to your Wix website if you've ever wanted to share downloadable files like PDFs, guides, or other important documents directly on your site. This tutorial will walk you through every step. Adding document buttons is a great way to make your website more interactive and provide value to your visitors. Whether you're running a business, blog, or portfolio, this feature can make a big difference. So let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Once you're in, navigate to your website editor. This is where all the magic happens. The Wix Editor is user-friendly and packed with tools to help you bring your ideas to life. Make sure you're working on the correct site if you have multiple projects, and wait for the editor to load fully before proceeding. Now, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu bar with several icons. Click on the plus icon, which opens the Add Elements menu. This is your go-to section for adding new features and design elements to your site. From here, you'll have access to a variety of options that make customizing your website a breeze. Next, hover over the Buttons section. When you do this, additional options will appear, showing the different types of buttons you can add to your site. Buttons are a key part of web design. They act as clickable, interactive elements that help guide your visitors. For this project, we're specifically looking for document buttons. Once you locate the Document Buttons option, click on it to explore the available styles. Wix provides a range of designs, so take a moment to review them and choose the one that best matches your website's look and feel. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern design or something more playful, there's an option for you. After deciding on a button style, click on Upload Media. This will open the File Upload window, where you'll start the process of adding your document. This is a critical step, so take your time and double-check that you're uploading the correct file. From here, navigate through your computer's folders to find the document you want to upload. If it's easier for you, you can also drag and drop the file directly into the Upload section. Alternatively, you can click Upload from Computer to manually select the file. Both methods work equally well, so choose the one that feels most convenient. Once your file starts uploading, wait for the process to complete. Larger files might take a few moments, so be patient. Also make sure the document format is supported by Wix. Common formats like PDFs are usually fine, but it's always good to double-check if you're using less common file types. After your document is uploaded, it's time to link it to the button you added earlier. This is the step that connects everything together, ensuring your visitors can download or view the document when they click the button. Follow the on-screen prompts in Wix to establish the link. It's a straightforward process. Finally, save your changes. This is absolutely crucial. Saving ensures that the document button is fully functional and visible to visitors when they access your site. Once saved, preview your site to test the button. Click on it to confirm that the document opens or downloads as intended. And there you have it. You've successfully added a document to your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.